Hello everyone, welcome to my new course. My name is Muhammad Adel. I am a senior React Native developer. In this course, you will learn how to use React hooks for state and affix reducers and custom hooks. Also, you will learn how to use React Query API for performant and powerful data synchronization for React Native. First, what is hooks? Hooks are a new addition in React 16.8. They let you use useState and other React features without writing a class. Basically, using function instead of classes can have a positive impact on the performance and the readability of the code. And we are going to see why in the next videos. What is the benefits of React hooks? The first benefit is improving readability of component tree. The use context hook has been a blessing of great improving the readability of JSX. It allows context values to be read outside of JSX. This was also previously possible in class components by using the static context type property, but is even cleaner with use context. And the second benefit is encapsulating side effects. With class component, the setup and the teardown of side effects was split across multiple lifecycle methods. For example, if a listener could be added in component with mount and later removed in component with unmount. If a component has a multiple side effects, this could lead to less readable code and related logic split across several life cycles methods. And the last and the third benefit of React hooks is reusable logic. Custom hooks are a great mechanism for sharing logic across components. A custom hook is simply a function which uses one or more React hooks. It can be called within a functional component just like a standard hook. And the second library in our course is React Query. What is React Query? React Query is a collection of hooks for fetching, caching, and updating a synchronous state in React and React Native. It's protocol agnostic, so this means we can use REST, GraphQL, or whatever the use case is. And it supports things like auto caching and refetching out of the box. So what are the benefits of using React Query? React Query helps you remove many lines of complicated and misunderstood code from your application. Makes your application more maintainable and easier to build new features without worrying about wiring up new server state data sources. Have a direct impact on your end users by making your application feel faster and more responsive than before. This is our content and overview of our course. And let's start our videos about how to learn these APIs in React Native. And thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.